Triangular arbitrage is very profitable if only you implement the basic things you need to implement. When it comes to arbitrage, all you need to do is follow the real procedures you are going to get it done. So in this video, I'm going to use a particular coin for a case study to show you how you can actually do this arbitrage and make money to yourself. Anytime I'm making video or I'm teaching people how to make money from arbitrage, either it's cross exchange arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, or even P2P arbitrage, I do show the step by step on how to follow to get everything done and ease. Okay, so if you're coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like and share my video. And if you have subscribed already, please like so that it will get to other people. Okay, in this video what I want to show you is how you can actually operate on triangular arbitrage and make money. So what is this triangular arbitrage? Triangular arbitrage is, in a layman understanding, it simply means taking advantage of a series of three currency, buying a particular currency and convert it to another currency to make money. In this video, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm just going to dive into the video to show you the basic things you need to know and how to go about it. Let's use a particular coin. But before I do that, what I normally advise people to do is, when it comes to this kind of arbitrage, people do first, like, what the challenge here is fees. There are times you will make profit, but the fees will eat up to your profit, because profit here is not enough, especially for newbies who are looking for one way or the other to make money. They don't have that enough capital. I will also sound this to you: if you want to make money on triangular arbitrage, you need to have up to a minimum of 100 USDT. A minimum of 100 USDT, I repeat. But if you really want to make more money, you need to have up to 1000 USDT, or let me say from 500 USDT up. You are actually going to make money, but as well as even if you have 100 USDT. But if you have 100 USDT, I'm just going to make little amount of profit. Okay, so but that's not the case. The case here is, I want to show you how you can actually make money even if with your 100 USDT. So first of all, let's use a particular coin that I actually searched for earlier before now. Okay, let's say we want to use, the name of the coin is S, just normal capital letter S. Let's just type in S. Okay, see the coin here. So in Binance, there is one feature that Binance has that help us to compare the market, for you to be able to make or take a decision. Okay, this and that is called compare. How you can navigate to this is to click on more here, click on compare. This is the coin I'm talking about, SBTC. You can see the price. You can see the price of SBTC, SBNB, S Ethereum, SEUR, and the rest. You can see it here. So what we are going to do is, we are going to buy from SUSDT here and sell it to SEUR. EUR is a fiat currency, and USDT is a cryptocurrency, is a digital currency. So we are going to buy from SUSDT and sell to SEUR. So let's start the arbitrage. First of all, we are on SUSDT. What we need to do is to click on buy. Let's say, let's do this arbitrage with 100 USDT. With 100 USDT, we are going to receive 190.6 S. Okay, then after you bought your 190.6 S, you moved over to SEUR. Okay, this is our SAUR. What we need to do here in SUR is we are going to sell. Please make sure it's on limit order. You can actually buy the first one with market order, but when it comes to this point that you want to sell, please you can actually use the limit order. Why am I saying you should use the limit order? Use the limit order if the market is not favoring you. Let me go back and show you this one more time so that you understand. I click on SUSDT. You can see the price here. You can see the price here. 0.5 0.5251. Okay, you can actually use market order to buy this one. It's not going to affect you, but if you want to sell, use limit order. If you want to sell, use limit order. You can see the price here, $0.532. So we are actually going to make money. So after you are here, what you need to do is you put in the amount of you paste in the amount of S you have bought before, which was 190.6. Then this 190.6 is going to give us 97.4 euro. So now what you need to do is go to euro slash USDT to sell your euro to USDT and make your profit. So what we need to do is, so here on our euro slash USDT, we paste in the amount of EUR we have. You can see once you paste in the amount of EUR you have, you are going to receive 101.5 USDT. 101.5 USDT. So we have made a profit of 1.5 USD, and I want to sound this to you. Anytime you are making this kind of arbitrage, always have at least $1 or $2 worth of BNB to minimize the fee you are going to be charged each transaction. Okay, so imagine you make this kind of money, like let me say $1 per trade. You can go this like 10 times, 5 times in a day. You will at least you will make something reasonable. So that's how to go about this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share.